THEODRE, family. Laura, Hank, and George, and the harbor master, too.
Hello. I'm just cleaning up all my special equipment. Like this old harbor master's whistle of mine. Needs a little extra hard work. I think that has got it. Hey, that's nice and shiny. Okay, what's next? Oh, this is special. This is called a compass. You see, there's a little tiny arrow down there. Well, that's the most important part. Because the little tiny arrow always points in the same direction, no matter which way I turn it. Watch. Yep, I can always tell which way I'm going with my good old compass. But I have to be very gentle with it because it's kind of delicate. Yeah, some things you have to be more gentle with than others. Just like tugboats. Oh, yes. You can't treat all tugboats just exactly the same. Theodore found that out the day that George made a funny noise. Would you like me to tell you about it? A big ship whose name was Caracat was arriving in the big harbor. Theodore! Hank! Roared George. Hurry up! We don't want to be late. Theodore and Hank tooted back. We're hurrying! And put more puff in their propellers. Ahoy! Caracat! Boomed George in his biggest voice. I'm George, and I'm the tug in charge today. And we're helping, whistled Theodore and Hank. Proceed to the back of the ship, commanded George. And remember, be careful. George smiled his good old George smile, blew and blasted his good old George whistle. He just loved moving big, important ships. Hank was floating into place when his engine backfired and made a loud noise.
That's the funniest noise I ever heard,
laughed Caracat. Well, no one said anything for a moment. Then, suddenly, George burst out laughing. Laughed George. Hank made a funny noise. Theodore began to laugh too. Then Caracat. Even Bedford Bowie swayed back and forth and ding-dinged his little bell. He was laughing so hard at Hank. Hank backed up again. This time, he made that loud, funny noise on purpose, just to make everyone laugh. He was laughing too, the hardest of all. Hooted Hank. But this made everyone laugh and whistle even more. Laughed George. And that's when it happened. George's whistle made a loud noise, the way it sometimes did when he laughed and whistled at the same time. Oh, no, that's the funniest noise I ever heard, laughed Caracat. Laughed Hank. George made a funny noise, too. Well, this time, everyone began to laugh at George. They laughed and laughed so hard, tears were falling from their eyes.
Make that funny noise again, George,
Yelled Hank.
Make it again.